Hey y'all, welcome back. So I know you guys just saw me show you the unboxing of the wig. Like I just showed you how it put it on my head straight out the pack. But today is Valentine's Day, so I'm about to go out to dinner. Fresh face, just a little eyelash and an eyebrow, and I just want to show you guys this wig because I literally just put it on today. Put a little powder in my part. These are my real edges. Okay, these are my real edges. I just kind of tried to, I just laid my edges and put the wig on. But I wanted to show you guys this wig up close and personal. First look at just being on my head. I've been wearing it all day. Beat your ass. Don't play with me. Anyways, this is the Juliana wig. It was $20. Okay. Excuse the little girl in the background. She about to get. Anywho, this is Juliana, not Gianna. Juliana, and this is Juliana. I got on heels, so excuse me. But I just want to show you guys this wig. I be getting all the $20 slaves, okay? I be catching all the $20 slaves. This wig is beautiful. Oh.
Okay, I'm about to bust my ass, but I'm gonna just show you guys this wig one more time before I go, and then I'm going to do a whole review tomorrow on it. So,
it's given I'm Barbie, this is Ken vibes, Stay tuned for the review tomorrow because I'm gonna really get into some things. Okay, so let's just get into some things, okay? So first things first, if you haven't checked out my previous video on hair maintenance for synthetic wigs, I'm gonna need you to go watch that right now because I just feel like personally, if you're gonna go out and buy these little bomb wigs that I'm trying to get y'all to go buy, you still need to know how to maintain it. It's not gonna just come out the box like, it's gonna come out the box, but it's not gonna stay like that. So go check that video out and then come back over here. But for my girls who already watched the first video with the bomb wig and y'all back for another, I got a new wig for you guys. I've been had this wig. I told you guys I had to get the reviews out. So I started off with a semi-affordable wig, which was $40. Go check that wig out in the description box. Go check that video out on the $40 Amazon wig that I just did. You just might want to go get that wig. But for those who was like, oh, 40 was just a little too much, I came back with a get right. Like, this one is $20. So y'all know I dropped the first $20 wig video. It was a little short bob, Miss Ella, but I also got Miss Ella's sister. Okay? And this is Miss Ella's sister. This is Juliana, and I installed this wig on Valentine's Day. I want y'all to see how it came straight out the bag. Like, this wig was beautiful and so full of life, okay? So full of life. Here to show you guys, I've been wearing the wig for a week and like one day. I installed it on Valentine's Day. Today is February 23rd, so been about a week and 2 days I've been wearing Miss Juliana. This is the stock card, so it's pretty similar to Ella, except it just says Juliana. I got it in the color 1B, and it is a extended part laced wig, and that part is really extended. All I did was literally put this wig on my head, put a little powder in the part. These are my real edges. Just did a little lay down and I put this wig on. Simple as that, okay? Like I said, I did the $40 wig first because I just wanted to see, your girls to weigh your options. But some people was saying, okay, well, it's $40, but I had to pay for shipping. So I went and I decided to go ahead and review Miss Juliana, and this wig is beautiful. What? Look at how this wig came straight out the box, like so much life, so much volume. It still has a lot of life and volume, but like I said, I've been wearing it for a week and it's getting its wear. So pros about this wig. The pros about this wig is it's long, it's luxurious, it has a nice body wave, like versus before the other wig was more of a deep wave, and this one is more so like body wave. Textured hair, it's still flowy, it's still full of life. Like I said, it's only been a week and I'm gonna probably wear it for one more week, you know, just to test it out. Honestly, the wigs are beautiful, and like I said, they're gorgeous straight out the pack. But okay, yeah, maybe a week or two, a month into wearing the wigs, if you go that long, you need to know how to maintain it. That's why I really want you guys to go check out that video, because it is very detailed on how to take care of your freaking synthetic wigs. Like, this wig is $20, but you would never know. I've already got so many compliments on this wig, and a lot of people are just like, they can't believe it's $20, but I have no reason to lie. Juliana is gorgeous. It's by Janet Collection as well. Like I said, this is Ella's sister, Miss Juliana, and I really enjoy wearing this wig. Like I said, I get so much compliments. Like, everybody wants to know, where did you get that wig? What bundles did you buy? And I'm just like, this wig was $20, and they're just like in awe. Like, they really can't believe that this wig was $20, but it was $20, okay? The cons about the wig is just, it's not even the shedding. It's not shedding at all. It's not shedding. It's not. It don't even shed that much. It's just, we all know the nape, okay? That's the only problem, is you just have to really detangle it. And like right now, I haven't really been to this hair all day. I just really fixed my hairline and put it right back on. And right now, you see that it's just still like in its little body wave texture or whatever. And that's pretty much it. But like I said, it is getting to be a little frizzy. Let me just show you this piece. So this is a piece that's just becoming really frizzy, and that's why I want you guys to go watch the video. I really want you guys to go watch that video so you can see how you can repair your wig once it starts getting like extra frizzy like this. And you can just bring it back to life and make the curls pop back out just like this. So I really want you guys to watch that video, because I feel like it's very informational and you need to know how to take care of your wig. So don't thank me yet, but make sure you thank me in the comments. 1B Juliana. This is the stock card again. So yes, you see how it's look. I don't like to go by the stock cards, because like people that I have recommended to get this wig before like this review came out, I told them to just kind of do it like this. If you ever want to find a good wig or whatever, I want to do a whole separate video on this, but if you ever want to go find a good wig, just type the company in on YouTube and look at it like that, versus us to just going to the website and looking at the stock card. As you can see, she's slaying, but you know, the girls on YouTube gonna freak it and make it slay some more. So that's just personal preference on if you want to really find an affordable wig and you don't want to, you know, waste your money. At least the girls on YouTube gonna give you a honest review, especially the ones like me that pay my own real money. Okay, like touching my butt. This one is like touching my top of my butt. So yes, let's just get into this wig. So these are just the little waves. Like I said, this part is getting a little frizzy. It's only been a week, but I feel like if you was to get this wig for like an event, or you know, something where you can wear it maybe on and off. I do wear my wigs kind of on the daily, so if you wanted to get something where you can wear just for maybe that one night, or you know, something you can wear for that one night and then store it, bring it back out whenever you would like, I think this would be perfect. These waves are beautiful. Like, girl. I want to show you guys. This wig is so pretty. Like, I deleted nothing. Like I said, these are my raw edges. And I just put this down chair, and I'm about my business. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Okay, like, I really don't have a lot of time to fix a wig in the morning, so I just need something that I can put on and go. And as you guys can see, and like I said before, if you were looking for maybe like a kind of sort of duplicate to the Amazon wig that I showed you guys for $40, this is absolutely a good $20 alternative. Like, what? Child, a whole slay. Y'all know I always love a good slay, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I really am going to get these wig reviews out to you guys. I hope this video helps someone who really needs a good affordable wig. I'm a mom, I'm a student, I need to save my coins, so switching the wig up every 2 weeks, you know, this is how you save a coin. So I hope this video helps someone who really needs a good affordable wig. I'm a mom, I'm a student, I need to save my coins, so switching the wig up every 2 weeks, you know, this is how you save a coin. So